Mustang to check out it. Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. 302 V8 now underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Original Night Mist blue car, K paint code. So still looking very similar to the way it would have been produced. Does have a black vinyl top and 22 trim code, which would be blue on blue interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay underside. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So we take a look at the chrome. The grille up front looks good. Paint does show well on this one. As you can see, nice reflection, good shine to it. You may come across a few imperfections here and there, but overall, you can see nice and straight. Down the passenger side, let's take a little peek at the interior before we get around to the driver's side. There's that light blue and blue. Of course, buckets up front, 3-speed on the floor. Vinyl top shows well. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's a little spot that's been touched up, a little touch-up paint. Chrome in the rear of it. Looks good. And take your time looking through the still pictures. Like I said, you'll be able to look at the underside, trunk, interior, engine bay, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see it's really free of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches, anything major. Looks like there's a little touch-up paint, touch-up spot right there, but again, tough to kind of see it. Done well in that paint. Once again, you can see it has a nice shine reflection to it. It's a classy looking Mustang. All right, let's take a little closer peek at the interior. It's got blue on light blue. Vinyl seats. A little bit of wear in the piping over here, going in and out, but otherwise pretty free of rips, tears, or holes that you notice. Just a little wear in that bolster of the piping. Put the headliner on this one. Looks good. Matching well with that light blue. Let's fire up this 302. See how it sounds? We'll take a look at the engine bay. Fires right up. There's a little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath here with oil pressure in the center. That was a cold start, so I don't know if the temp gauge would work or not. It's like running off the amp meter up here. It's working. And up here's the fuel gauge came up over here too, if you can see that. Did have the wipers working, have not had, looks like the old factory AM radio working, but wipers did work. Slip around to the back, so you can hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood open. Check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's the underside of the hood. Painted to match. There it is. A Holley 4-barrel on there. Power brakes. Looks like a newer master cylinder and booster. 66 Ford Mustang Coupe, night mist blue on blue. Interior, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you